Up to the line. The man said, the man stop. Yeah, man. Tell him, come on. Get up to the line. When I'm close. Hold that. Money can't done for some of them. You know what? Get up to the end of the world. My mind is so proud in love. So let me lie up. And when I am, I'm gonna make all this. And there's something that's good. There's someone kind of. You feel never see us, so you're not feeling we go. Please God, let me see how we do. How we are. So the telling I don't believe. Me the country, I'm in a corner. I don't want this for the end of some black people. I want to put that. Alright, quick and fast. I'm a back brother there. Your brother not quick and fast, man.
Pick up yourself now. Up to the line, make some noise for the school now, man. That is it, that is it. Up to the line.
I'll sing the song for you. Hold on, man. Yeah, what more artist want to call up to them? Run back. Where do you? I mean, what the hell? Nobody see me come. Something clean again. You don't come back the way. But if you like, sit here. Take all my time. But I like I'll be here like them. I have right from the life. Something. I don't know if it's talking. I'll be here in the end. What's the thing I like? I don't. We are something in power now. Jump, give me a young leg. Say a bar, someone up on them. You two would be up for putting answer. Here the civilian brought me a shit. Thank God for the winner, hallelujah. Next song. One call up my next bad brother in real life. As you may say. Yeah, bad Jenna. Nobody know about me. Lucky Park. Lucky. Like the more things we get, so we're going to read this week. No matter how much it's not. You got profit on them, so you know. I'm missing whenever you want me. Show me, I'm a dead end. Nobody know about me. Lucky Park. Hey, lucky. Show me. Whenever you're there, oh, jeez. Alright. Who don't know that? Let's look it. Who don't know that? Let's put a speed on this lobby. How much have to tell you, say and every time you enter, you can spin around me. Ready for run. Come on it down. We need to touch the first 29. Yeah, find answer. Find imperfection, pick and fall. Find back. All who believe in yourself, what's one man here?
Put up the hand then.
Some people are going at them perfect, but Paul for 7 are perfect. I got them to tell you. What he said is that, you know what? You gotta tell us something. My head people close to me, but not deserve it. And I'm not people. But I full of lessons, I'm still I am a man of mistake. Just last week. Let me listen to the last part before we come off my stage. I'm missing. Ash to the ash. Dust to the dust. Too much rules, can't lose, full of us forget. Head back people.